The Boonie Bug is a unique and largely forgotten piece of automotive history, born from the do-it-yourself culture of the 1970s. First introduced in the March 1974 issue of Popular Mechanics, the Boonie Bug was a do-it-yourself vehicle project designed by Robert Q. Riley, an engineer known for his unconventional yet visionary approach to transportation. Unlike most kit cars of the time, which were typically built on the Volkswagen Beetle chassis, the Boonie Bug was based on the Volkswagen Type II microbus. This offered several advantages, including a cab-over design, wider track, and greater interior space. Builders were instructed to shorten the bus chassis by 16.5 inches to improve off-road performance and reduce the risk of bottoming out. The core structure featured 1.5-inch square steel tubing, forming a pair of hexagonal roll hoops that supported the fiberglass-over-urethane-foam body. The body construction method itself was revolutionary. Riley's design utilized a fiberglass skin bonded to polyurethane foam, a technique that proved surprisingly durable. In fact, John DeLorean investigated this method during the development of the DeLorean DMC-12. After thorough testing, including 60,000 miles of use and surviving harsh Ohio winters, the Boonie Bug showed no signs of delamination, confirming the strength of this unconventional approach. The Boonie Bug featured two gullwing doors, one for the driver and one for the passenger, along with a rear hatch for accessing the storage area. It rode on balloon tires for improved traction and comfort, and its rear-mounted air-cooled Volkswagen engine remained exposed for better cooling. The controls, electrical system, and drivetrain were mostly standard Volkswagen parts, making repairs and sourcing components relatively simple. Inside, the vehicle offered customizable space. While early builds showcased wood paneling, shag carpets, and bucket seats, modern examples have included features like flat-screen stereos, electric inverters, and even proposals for rooftop televisions. The floor housed 34 cubic feet of storage space, accessible via centrally hinged panels. Though the Boonie Bug was never mass-produced, it gained cult status among enthusiasts. Its oddball styling, compared to everything from robotic frogs to angular hippos, and its blend of off-road capability, street legality, and camper-like amenities made it a vehicle for personal freedom rather than conformity. Its image even appeared in pop culture, most notably as a Martian vehicle in the 1990 film Total Recall. Today, surviving Boonie Bugs are rare. Some examples have been preserved or restored, often fetching prices around $7,000 to $7,500. Most were hand-built, so each one is slightly different, and many remain unfinished. Yet for those seeking a truly unique driving experience, a throwback to a time when imagination, independence, and adventure shaped vehicle design, the Boonie Bug stands as an icon of DIY automotive ingenuity.